Hello students, practice 30 questions including 4 case-based questions from chapter number 14 Ecosystem in this part 8 of question bank series. These are very short questions, 1 mark questions, question number 1 to question number 6. It is very important to learn the expanded form of all abbreviations given in the chapter. Check question number 3, there is an equation GPP minus R is equal to NPP. Here GPP stands for gross primary productivity, R stands for respiratory losses and NPP stands for net primary productivity. Question number 7 to question number 11, learn 10% law. That is, only 10% of the energy of one trophic level is available to the next higher trophic level. Rest is either used up by the organism of that trophic level or some may be lost as heat into the environment. Question number 10 is based on this 10% law. Question number 12 to question number 17. To learn NCERT line wise, it is very important to do practice of these short questions. Question number 18 to question number 22 are also very short type of questions. Question 23 is case based. A part of an ecosystem is represented in the figure. Note, number 1 in the figure is a predator fish, number 2 is a prey, a frog, number 3 is a snail, a herbivore, and number 4 is an aquatic plant, a producer. Now do part 1 and part 2 of the question. You have to construct a food chain, a pyramid of energy for the food chain you have constructed, and this food chain is grazing food chain as it starts from producer plant. On this basis, do part 3, 4 and 5 of the case given. Question 24. This case is based on decomposition process and the steps involved in the process. You should know the examples of detrivores, decomposers involved in the process of decomposition. Based on this information, do part A and B of the question and part C, D and E. To do these parts, you must know about the properties of humus and factors affecting the rate of decomposition in the nature. Question number 25. It is based on structure of an ecosystem, types of ecosystems, natural and man-made, functions in the ecosystem and various components of an ecosystem. Based on this, check part A and B of the question and part C, D and E of the case given. Question 26. Here information is given about the trophic levels and technical terms given to organisms belonging to different trophic levels. Based on it, do part A of the question, part B and C of the question and part D of the question. Next is question number 27. You have to differentiate between different terminologies used in the chapter. Differences between A. Grazing food chain and detritus food chain, B. Production and decomposition, C. Upright pyramid and inverted pyramid, D. Food chain and food web, E. Litter and detritus, and F. Primary productivity and secondary productivity. Question 28 is based on figure 14.3 of your NCERT book. You have to label different trophic levels 1, 2, 3 and 4 given in the figure. Question 29 is based on figure 14.1 of your book. You have to match the statements 1 to 5 given in the question with the letters A, B, C, D and E given in the figure. Question 30 is based on figures 14.4a, b, c and d of your NCERT book. Here you have to match the different ecological pyramids shown in the figure with the statements given below. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for staying with me. Subscribe the channel to get the information about my new video. Thank you so much.